I heard you want to lose weight. Don't lose weight like this with a balanced proportion of fat and meat. Not only does it look good, but it's also delicious with rice. This braised pork recipe is very simple. All you need are star anise and cinnamon bark for the spices. This is rice straw. Now, it's just harvest season. You can get it in this place. Like this one still has grains on it. Definitely don't take someone else's, although this smells really good. But we have to be ethical. This is someone else's hard work. We can use this one. It's too late to know whose rice field this is. We need to talk to them about it, but we'll know whose rice field it is tomorrow. When making braised pork, don't cut the meat into too small pieces, otherwise the rice cannot be tying up. This size is just right. For blanching the meat, you need to put it in cold water to tighten the meat and add a slice of ginger. Use cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. When the water boils, skim off the foam. Then remove the meat and let it cool on the side. Next, start tying the meat. Place the meat with the lean side facing down and cross and rotate it to form a cross knot like this. Fold it in half again and turn it over to tie a knot. Fold it in half again and turn it over to tie a knot. Cut off the excess with scissors. That's it. Then put it one by one into the casserole and add cinnamon bark and star anise. Next, make caramelized sugar. Heat the pan with cold oil and add an appropriate amount of white sugar. Stir it well until it melts. Pay attention not to turn up the heat too much in the middle and don't stop stirring the spoon. When stir-frying caramelized sugar, I will release a more detailed tutorial in a separate issue. When stir-frying to the situation, start to bubble slightly. Prepare to turn off the heat. Pay attention to when it is about to bubble big. Pour in boiling water. Be sure to use boiling water. Take a look at the caramelized sugar now. It's ready. You can also use soy sauce instead. Pour the caramelized sugar into the meat. Next, start seasoning. Add a little more soy sauce for coloring. Add a little more soy sauce for as much as possible because no salt is added. So use 4 pieces of rock sugar, a little vinegar to relieve greasiness, a little MSG, and a piece of ginger. Cover and start cooking the fire. After the water boils, simmer on low heat for 35 minutes. Then it's ready. This is the sealing of braised pork. This is very appetizing. How do you like this dish?